just want to show you how to get signed up for Zoom and get that all installed. If you hear any background noise, forgive it. That's my wily children doing their thing. So here is Zoom. You need to go to zoom.us. For some reason you can't handle that, just Google search Zoom and it will bring you to the website. Once you're here, you are going to sign up. And my suggestion is you actually hit sign in with Google here. So I've already signed up, so it may just prompt me for my account. There it is. And then you're going to see which one we want to go with. Now this one has just prompted me to join the Mendon Upton Regional Schools Zoom account. So apparently they're doing something. So I'm going to join that account and hit continue. And it looks like I've been switched successfully. So I'll sign into that profile page. And it looks like I am now a part of Mendon Upton's Zoom account. So that is good news. The other thing that you may need to do is to actually get the Zoom app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and click on a new tab to download the Zoom app for Mac. And I'm going to go to the Zoom Download Center right here. Now, you guys want to make sure, because you're going to want to download the Mac version, so always be careful when you're about to do that. So I'm going to click Download, click Allow. It is going to download the program for me. Double click the Zoom tube or the Zoom package. Click Continue here. Whoops, there it goes. Okay. So I can sign into the Zoom client with Google. And now once I've got this all up and running, there's a couple different things you can do here. If you want to be able to join a meeting, you can actually click directly to the link that you got in your email. So for instance, I'm in my email, and some of you may have gotten this invite from Jen, I think, about joining a Zoom meeting. So you might have an email that looks kind of similar to this one right here. So if I click on this link now, it should bring me directly into this. So I'm going to click Allow. So it's telling me this meeting is scheduled for 3:18. Now, if this meeting were actually started at tomorrow, 10:30 a.m., the video and everything would pop up here. Okay, so I'm going to X out of that right now and leave that meeting. Now, for those of you that actually want to start a meeting and have a meeting with students or whoever, all you've got to do is click on New Meeting. You're going to see your face come up there. I'm very thankful you're all seeing me unshaven and everything right now. Click on Join with Computer Audio. There it is. And you can invite participants. So, wow, everybody shows up in Mendon now. This is great. So what I would actually do here is I would, if you're trying to do a meeting with a group of folks from our district, it appears as though you can check their names off here. If you're going to do this for something with parents in particular, you might actually want to consider clicking on the copy URL. So that's been copied to the clipboard. If I go back into my email and open up a new email here, I can paste the link directly in there. Could also do the copy invitation. That is going to copy all of the info in there. Actually, that might even be better because it has the password that people would need as well. It has the URL and the password. So forget what I said about copying the URL. Go ahead and just copy that invitation. And then you can send this out to anybody. They can click the link here, and then they have the password information that they need to get in as well. Okay, so I'm going to make a slightly better video that we can also have for families to use. But for now, this is just kind of the long and short of it, just a quick version that you guys can use to get started. Hopefully that helps. If not, shoot me a message and let me know.